Hello everybody, good evening and welcome back to the Financial Ratio Excel spreadsheet. With some tables left, just two more sums left to finish to finish up the cash flow from operating activities, and then I'll move on, go to the last section of this entire spreadsheet, which is cash flow from investment activities. So the next sum table we need to calculate is increase in taxes payable, and that requires an if statement. Very good. Now we're going to calculate increase in all our current liabilities. Very good. Now is cash flow from operations. Act. As far as I look. So that's the cash flow from operating activities finished. Now we're going to be going to the cash flow from investment activities. And finance activities as well. So calculate the increase in gross fixed assets. If statement is required. Okay, now we're going to calculate and find out what the cash flow from investments is. Yeah, that's the answer. Now we're the last heading. Cash flow from financing activities. So now let's calculate the increase in notes payable. If statement. Okay, now let's go and calculate the increase in long-term debt. If statement. The next heading we're going to calculate is changes in stockholders' equity. That require an if statement. Okay, now to calculate the preferred dividends paid. They'll require an if statement. Okay, cash flow from financing activities will be the last second sum table to calculate. Then the last one will be the net increase in cash and mark securities. So let's go and calculate cash flow from financing activities. If statement. So that's cash flow from financing activities finished. Now we're in a net increase in cash and the marked securities. This will be the very last one, and then that will be the financial ratio spreadsheet finally completed. So this will require the one last if statement. Okay, so looks like there's no more else to solve and calculate. So that's the ratio analysis completed and the financial ratio. All sum tables are solved and answered correctly. So that's it for today. So hope you all had a great, pleasant, good knowledge of how to do your spreadsheet and a great understanding. So very good. So hope you all have a great, pleasant evening. Have a great weekend. See you all very soon. Wash your hands and have a great weekend and have a great, pleasant, good evening. Adios.